In this video, I'm going to show you how to find corn in Once Human. So the best area early in the game to find the corn is over here where I'm standing right now. If I show you on the map, as you can see, there's this big farm in Dayton Wetlands, and to the right top of it over here, kind of between the farm and the coast, there's this area where there's a smaller farm, okay? And you want to go over here, you want to get yourself a motorcycle or simply walk over here, and you'll see that there will be this area where there's a bunch of corn in there. But be aware, because not all of it can be harvested. As you can see, not all of it is actually fully grown yet, so the ones who do have corns in them, you simply can walk around and spam your F key, and you'll automatically gather all of these that are grown already. So basically, corn early in the game can be used for getting fish bait for fishing, and yeah, that's pretty much the main reason why I can use it. However, be very careful because there's spiders and different zombies and stuff like that in this area, so it can be tricky in case you don't have any weapons. Yes, so come prepared, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to my channel to help me out as well.